Welcome back to Ajayastra Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I am Neena, and today we are diving into the recent trends in China's copper market. China's unwrought copper imports have seen a significant decline in July. According to the General Administration of Customs, imports of unwrought copper and products have decreased by 2.9% compared to the same period last year. This drop is primarily attributed to weak demand in China, which is the world's top consumer of copper. The metal, crucial for the power and construction sectors, is facing reduced demand due to ongoing economic challenges. In July, China's manufacturing activity slipped to a 5-month low. This downturn is largely due to a protracted property crisis that has impacted overall economic activity. Industry analysts at Antique have forecasted a slowdown in the growth of China's refined copper consumption. They predict a modest increase of about 2.5% this year, reflecting the broader economic uncertainties. On-screen text: refined copper consumption growth forecasted at deliverable copper stocks in the Shanghai Futures Exchange warehouses have remained elevated, hovering around 300,000 tons since April. This surplus further indicates the sluggish demand within the domestic market. Despite the recent monthly decline, copper imports for the first 7 months of the year have actually increased by 5.4%. This rise suggests that while short-term challenges persist, the overall demand for copper remains robust over a longer period. To sum up, while China's unwrought copper imports dropped in July due to weak demand and economic challenges, the year-to-date figures show a notable increase. The future of copper demand in China will depend on how quickly the manufacturing and property sectors can recover. Thank you for tuning into Ajayastra Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Until next time, this is Neena, signing off.